Every show we run starts as a note. This one is Saturday's beach show in Valencia. Notes is where things get captured, show plans, formulas, supplier quirks. Pinned for the daily stuff, tags for everything else, all in your own database. Starting one is instant. New note, a title, first line, no account, no sync, no spinner. And the editor does real documents, not sticky notes. Headings, task lists, tables, images, markdown, rich text, or plain your call. Need something back? Search hits titles, content, and tags in an instant. But here's the habit that sticks. Don't open the module at all. Just tell your agent rain contingency, tarps, drainage check, a backup date. Seconds later, the note exists and it comes back as a chip. Click it and you're there. Created, filed, and linked. Notes also link outward. Type at and connect the supplier, the event, the invoice. One tap and you're in their record. That's Notes, one module of Micelclaw, your self-hosted AI productivity OS. Next week, calendar.